Welcome to Module 3. We are focusing on the technical proficiency required to manage a modern front office, specifically the systems that dictate daily operations. Paper ledgers and physical room racks are no longer viable in an industry defined by real-time transactions. Today, front office operations are entirely software-driven. The Property Management System, or PMS, serves as the operational hub. It aggregates every reservation, billing record, and room update into a single point of truth. Managing a profitable department requires the precision that only this software can provide. It tracks the thousands of daily microtransactions that would be impossible to manage manually. Without the ability to navigate this digital infrastructure, a manager cannot move towards specific revenue targets. Then they are effectively operating on guesswork. The software stores the historical patterns and business logic required for a hotel to function. It maintains the records that allow the staff to coordinate with every other department. Our objective is to deconstruct its core functions, identify the data entry errors that threaten financial accuracy, and learn to manage external integrations. Developing this technical proficiency allows a manager to move from handling immediate clerical problems to identifying long-term operational trends. We begin with the base layer of the system, room inventory management. This 3D isometric layout of a hotel floor plan shows individual rooms actively shifting colors to indicate their current status: occupied, cleaning, or ready. This real-time transparency lets the front desk see exactly what is available for sale, preventing the risk of double booking. Closely linked to inventory is the management of guest profiles. By storing historical data, such as dietary restrictions like specific room preferences and past complaints, the staff can provide a personalized experience based on documented needs. A central guest profile node pulls in data streams from peripheral icons. Every transaction, from a cup of coffee to a spa treatment, is automatically funneled into a centralized billing folio. These streams culminate in the critical task of the day, the night audit. The audit summarizes all financial activity, balances the day's books, and rolls the system over to the next business day. This process generates the statistical and revenue reports that managers use to provide owners and stakeholders with an accurate snapshot of the hotel's health. Without these automated functions, a hotel would lose its ability to verify its financial reality every 24 hours. Managers use historical PMS data to identify revenue trends, pinpointing the specific seasons or days of the week that yield the highest margins. The system also tracks staff upselling rates, allowing a manager to identify top performers and provide coaching to those who are missing opportunities to move guests into higher room categories. Accountability is built into the system through activity logs. These logs show exactly who performed an action and when, providing a clear trail for resolving billing disputes or security concerns. A clean data pipeline begins to bottleneck and turn red as abstract error blocks are introduced. The bottleneck expands, highlighting a specific block for a wrong rate code stopping the flow. These discrepancies can take hours to manually resolve during the audit. Another frequent issue is the zombie folio, a balance remaining active after a guest leaves. Unattached data loops representing these unclosed accounts spin uselessly, complicating daily revenue totals. This usually occurs when a guest departs without a formal checkout. Duplicate guest profiles are equally problematic. If a returning guest is entered as a new profile due to a spelling error, the hotel loses the ability to recognize their loyalty. A manager must train staff to view data entry as a core part of the guest experience, implementing regular data cleaning sessions to merge duplicates and resolve unclosed accounts. A pristine database ensures that every guest interaction is backed by accurate history and every financial record is audit-ready. A modern PMS functions as the hub of a vast network of external software integrations. The central property management hub sends a pulsing line to a point-of-sale system, allowing guests to charge dinner to their room. A second line connects to a CRM platform, sending envelope graphics to automate pre-arrival emails and post-stay surveys. A third, thicker line connects to a channel manager, branching out into multiple online booking engines like Expedia or Booking.com. These channel managers synchronize the hotel's room inventory across every external platform in real time. The PMS also communicates with the hotel's accounting software to ensure that front desk revenue matches the money deposited in the bank. Because technology is fluid, these links require daily monitoring to ensure they are syncing correctly. If the connection to the channel manager snaps, flashing red, the central PMS hub is instantly flooded with excess booking requests. Even 1 hour of downtime can result in dozens of manual overbooking resolutions. The manager acts as the guardian of this digital ecosystem, ensuring that a single integration failure does not disrupt the physical operation. The highest level of system mastery involves predictive forecasting, using present data to anticipate future needs. This chart illustrates a future spike in bookings, with corresponding sliders automatically increasing to represent rising staffing and supply levels. By analyzing booking windows, a manager can adjust labor and laundry orders months before a local festival begins. Tracking cancellation behavior allows managers to enforce deposit policies during peak periods. As the graph zooms in on a high cancellation channel, a lock icon is applied. Offering non-refundable early bird rates to these portals stabilizes revenue. Demographic data stored in the PMS allows the marketing team to create targeted promotions for regions that show a preference for specific room types. These predictive capabilities turn the PMS into an engine for business growth, providing the hard data needed to justify shifts in strategy. Mastery of these digital tools allows a manager to lead with higher precision and agility. It provides the why behind the daily what, replacing guesswork with a clear understanding of the hotel's trajectory. In the high-stakes world of hospitality, the manager who maintains and understands this data dictates the long-term success of the property.